It's the afternoon of June 8th, and tomorrow morning, that's Wednesday, we're gonna pour some concrete. The footing for the opposite side of the stair, right here, and then we're gonna come up to a pilaster, and we're gonna turn right, and we're gonna join up with, this is the storage area for the workshop, also known as the rail yard. We're gonna have a pilaster right here as well that will define and separate the work area from, I don't know, recreational. And on the other side, we will have the foundation for, we've got, I know this is a little challenging, a little hard to look in the hole, but where the air conditioner is, let's see if I can get that in there adequately. Air conditioner, there'll be a footing in this area, 45 degrees, right down here and in here. And then this is, I'm standing straight above where we're gonna have another pilaster, which will match the other side. I'll spin around in a second. And then this is the foundation for the opposing planter. If we look right here, we've got a planter, and then we'll have, here's the deck, sorry. Here's our deck, one step down, walkway that goes out here, but we can also make a left turn between these two planters right here. We'll take 3 steps down into a landing right here, and then 3 steps back up if I want to get back to the same walkway that cuts between the workshop and the house. And let me pivot all the way around here. Sorry for all the jerking, but this is the lineup that we'll have facing, like I said, I'm standing on one of where the pilaster is going to go. This is the path down to the stair, excuse me, the path down to the wing patio. And then this is the wall that will, well, right now it'll just be the foundation. And that is what the concrete guys have been working on. It may look simple, but it's actually pretty sophisticated. A lot of math, a lot of geometry. If you notice, the pile's gone. 3 truckloads, I don't know, this truck's probably 3 yards, 3.5 yards. 12 tons, that's the maximum capacity you can have. So the stone guys have been working out, here we go. This is what they have been working out. So we've got the center filled in all the way to the far side, and we're using 6x9s right here. They're still filling in, they're doing the tie-in yet. And so this is 2 days worth of work so far. This is where they stopped today. Any piece that's got an edge that's been cut off and isn't tight up against the 6x9s here, those need to be replaced and recut, or cut and replaced. And tomorrow they will be finishing this tie-in, and they'll be starting somewhere right in here with gray soldier style. Okay, so if we look at the wall that we have right here, we have 2 6x9s end-to-end soldier vertical, and it cuts across here, and then we're going to take off this way. And so this is what tomorrow's work should get us to this transition piece right here. And this area right here, right to the back of the truck and right over, that all needs to be regraded for the appropriate height to get it into the garage. That's going to be the last piece that we do. The piece that we'll be working on after they're finished there, probably on Friday, we'll start working on this section right here, flush or even with the front of the garage. So this is the next chunk to take on. When they're finished with that, we'll be working this out. Tomorrow we're going to be pouring some concrete, as we just mentioned, and as soon as the guys are done on Thursday, we're going to regrade this. That way the stone guys can keep going. We'll get the grade straightened out on this, so as soon as they're finished with this area, they can start doing the pavers here. While they're doing the pavers here, we can regrade this area and be ready for pavers as well. That's it.